Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our class. I am your teacher, Annalyn Labitad. Just call me Maan. Mama stands for motivated, active, mindful, and approachable. How are you today? Very good. Are you comfortable in your seats? All right. So before we proceed with our lesson this morning, I want you to remember the word story. Questions? Do you have any questions and clarifications with our classroom rules? Alright, very good. Since there is none, let us proceed. I have here a video clip and I want you to understand and observe the video. And afterwards, I will ask you some questions. Am I clear, class? Alright, very good. What can you say about the video? Ben? Yes, very good, Ben. What is the title of the movie? Yes, James? All right, very good, James. How have another idea? Yes, Anna? Very good, Anna. So now, what do you think will be our topic this morning? Yes, Tyler? All right, very good, Tyler. Our topic this morning is all about the basic elements of a story. Before we discuss the basic elements of a story, I want you to read first the objectives that we need to attain this morning. Am I clear, class? All right, thank you. The most fundamental components of a storyline are setting, characters, conflict, plot, and theme. Understanding which of these aspects contributes to the story enables the reader to comprehend the structure and significance of a short story. Understanding how these aspects interact provide the reader with the appreciation for the short story's purpose. The setting is where and when the story takes place. The conflict is a struggle between two people. The theme might be thought of as the why of the story. A plot is the sequence of events that take place through. We will read the short passage together. Lee. Very good, Grace. Let us give a face powder. Very good, William. The underlined word is very good, Tyler. Let us give a fire. Why does understanding story elements? Are you done? Please put back all your activity notebooks in their proper place as I will check them later. That's all for today. Goodbye, everyone. Please keep safe and take care. See you tomorrow.